Hey guys, today I'm going to show you how to change your logo in Odoo. Let's get started. First, go to odoo.com and log in your account. This action will lead you to your dashboard where you will click on the website option. In this new tab containing your website, click on the edit button at the top right corner and this right panel will open. Next, double-click your logo which is located at the top left of your screen, and this pop-up will appear where you can choose to upload an image using a URL or upload one from your computer. Once you've found the image you want to use, click on Add down here. Lastly, just click on Save from the top right corner to save your changes. And that is how you can change your logo in Odoo. If this video helped you, please like and subscribe for more helpful tutorials.